it's me, Olivia again. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to send a document from your laptop over email. All you need for this video is a Gmail account and your computer. Let's get started.
All right, so just open your email browser. Mine is Gmail, and click Compose. Now start off by just entering the email address of the person that you want to send the document to. Now you're going to click on the Attach Files button on the bottom, and from here you should be able to search for the file that you want to email. I found mine and just clicked on it once. Next you click Open, and that should attach the file to your email. Next just click Send, and it should email your file to who you'd like it to. Now if you want to double check, you can go to the Sent in the left corner and just make sure that it did in fact send, which this did.
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're now able to send over a document through email. Stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.